We can build right now.
We can build.
They coming in.
I don't think right now is the time to build because we got this everybody. Because right now the after hours is
What y'all about to do on the after hours?
Man, we about to get cracking.
You about to get your pack on.
Yeah, it's no, but it's over. It's over at the OnlyFans. It's some other shit, bro.
Oh, OnlyFans.
Yeah. We about to go over to the OnlyFans because at 11 o'clock we usually do that shit.
Oh, we can't go on that.
Yeah.
We can't go on that. We got fearing folks over here.
I'm motherfucking ready. I'm motherfucking ready.
I might come over there in the disguise though. I might come over there in the disguise.
I'm motherfucking ready though. That's what it's about. That's what. Bro, crazy to the motherfucker.
Come over there in the disguise.
You said what?
I said, where's everybody else's glasses?
Yeah, we're all of them gotta come over with glasses on like that. They want to know the names of everybody. What's the names of everybody?
Oh, this is Mama Malia.
Mama Malia, nice to meet you. Mama Aya.
Aya, okay.
Mama Efru.
Okay.
You know I got 7 wives now.
That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. See, all of my wives are not in the same location at this exact moment, but I got a few. They stupid in the comments, man. They stupid.
You talking about my hair?
Nah. They just dumb. I don't even know I'm reading that shit.
What are they talking about?
Nothing.
They ain't talking about nothing. They ain't talking about nothing that's on anything.
Nothing.
Okay. Natural beauty. They said natural beauty. They said the women is natural beauty. I like that shit. I like that. Look, they all glowing too. They all motherfucking glowing.
Look, let me drop a jewel on them real quick.
Already, go ahead, do your thing.
I know it look funny, but the hair is an antenna, man. Feel me? And I know it look funny, but what we doing is called wig locks. For all the people that's not educated about them. This is the beginning of what's called wig locks. If you ever seen Lauryn Hill, when we take these rubber bands out, they're gonna be like sticks. They're gonna be lock sticks.
Right.
And it's not gonna look so funny after we done.
Right.
So it's the beginning of something called wig locks. Go research it. WICK locks. So if you guys want to educate yourselves on these, it's a certain kind of style they wear it in Florida. You know, you see a lot of the soap pound niggas wearing it. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
And also let me let y'all know this. A lot of y'all be like y'all real, but don't have your real hair. So if you godly, you're gonna have your godly hair, how God made you. Okay? So y'all can laugh all you want at the real niggas, because real is rare and what? Fake is everywhere. So laugh at the real niggas, you feel me? Because we just real. But at the end of the day, we're gonna see who laughing with our shit long and branched out.
Already, speak that shit. Speak that shit.
But right now it's funny because this is how you make them. You make them, they're called wig locks.
Yes,
so it's
indeed.
all funny right now, but when later on we take these rubber bands out, they're gonna be sticks. And they're gonna be like, So just to let everybody know, when somebody say they godly, God is nature. So, God is all natural. So we gotta get our woman to love themselves, their natural self, because our women want to be European, and they not European. The hair that grow out your hair is the real hair. So how you gonna be a real nigga without your real hair? So we want to understand how you gonna be a real nigga without your real shit.
You know what?
Feel me? And guess what?
Tomorrow's gonna be beautiful.
You gotta eat real food.
Perspectives.
Huh?
I said tomorrow's gonna be beautiful. Just hearing the perspective that you have on things, I think that's a beautiful thing. I keep on going. My bad to interject.
Nah, if you a real nigga, you gonna eat real food from the earth. You gonna eat real food, not processed food. If you a real person, then you gonna listen to real information, and you gonna apply real information to your life. You're not gonna put no fake skin on, fake eyelashes,
right?
Fake hair on. Right. So of course you gonna laugh at a real nigga. You feel me?
I'm gonna drink on that, yeah.
Feel me? Of course they gonna laugh at a real nigga. Because the real is rare and fake is everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it is what it is.
Right, right,
you know,
right.
We just educate them. For all the women out there, love yourself, black queens.
Yes,
See
indeed.
how beautiful you are, black queen? Just the way you
Look at
are.
him. Look at him.
Come here. Let me say this. Come here. We just want you to know that you're beautiful the way you are. Love yourself. No makeup. No lip. Nothing. Just all the way. Love yourself because you're beautiful the way you are. You don't have to look like a white woman to be pretty. You're actually beautiful up under there. You're a very beautiful woman. You just need to take time. People gonna laugh at you. People gonna laugh at you in the process of your beauty. But you're gonna have to get through these stages where people laughing at us and be bold enough to say, I'm black and I'm proud of this shit. Because so many people that they feel like they take off that makeup and that weave and them that they're not beautiful, but you beautiful the way you are because you're the original black woman.
Right.
The black queen on this earth and ain't nobody fucking with you. Everybody come from that black.
Right.
So that's all I want to say to y'all, man. Everybody watching out there.
And that's a beautiful thing. And that's a beautiful thing. Let me interject real quick. Let me add my little 2 cents. You know, let me add my 2 cents up in this motherfucker, man. That's a beautiful thing that you said, man. And I also feel like, you know, hair, you know, whether it's fake hair, whether it's motherfucking eyelashes, whether it's European brands, they don't make you either. It all starts with yourself. You got to know your motherfucking value within, whether you wearing natural, because I know a lot of motherfuckers with natural hair that's faked in a motherfucker. You feel what I'm saying? So we don't want to give them the wrong perception that, you know, only natural, it means you real, or either fake hair makes you fake. It all starts from the inside of knowing yourself, knowing what true love is, knowing what the value, knowing your value as a motherfucking queen, knowing your value as a motherfucking king, knowing that you're a motherfucking God. So once we get that established, the foundation established, then we can work on the external things, because the internal is the most important thing. So I'm most definitely with you, though. It's a beautiful motherfucking thing, man. We got motherfucking Nature Boy and the motherfucking queens in this motherfucker. T-time.
And you right on that. I gotta say this though. Gotta add to that. When you real on the inside, it's gonna reflect on the outside, G.
Yes, indeed.
When you real on the inside, it gotta reflect on the outside. You gonna be in love with your real, natural self.
Yes,
the more
indeed.
real you are on the inside, the more real you gonna figure out how to be on the outside. That's just how it goes.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. We love it.
The outside
But look,
ain't nothing but a reflection of the inside.
Look what we're doing right now. We're giving them too much for tonight.
I can go all day.
We're giving them too much for tonight. I can already tell this is gonna be good. And for people in the comments, this is not. We're not swinging dicks. It's not no ego. There's not no ego thing.
Nah. We
different perspectives. Different perspectives.
We building.
But nobody is being better. Nothing like nothing like that. So we just speaking different perspectives. But it's gonna be good tomorrow. It's gonna be good tomorrow, man. And I'm looking forward to it. So what's a good time? Let everybody know the good time, bro.
Damn, man. What time do you want to do it? Because I'm on Atlanta time.
Okay. Let's do 6. We're gonna do 6 your time tomorrow. 6 your time is gonna be
6 our time.
No, 6 their time or 6 our time.
6 our time.
All right, we're gonna do 6 our time. That is 9 too late for y'all?
They up at 3 in the morning. That ain't too late for them.
But
nah, we happen to be up tonight.
The hell?
Like, nigga, they gonna be good.
Okay.
Why can't we do normal hours on our shit?
Yeah.
We gonna make us stay up late.
No, check this out. Check this out. Whatever y'all want to do, I'm with it. I'm with it. So
why don't we do so? Okay, because y'all sleep in the day and y'all up at night. I get it.
Yeah, we actually get up. We get up early to the motherfucker. We got to get in.
So why don't we do like 3 y'all time and 6 our time? Or like, yeah.
You said at 6 y'all time?
Yeah.
What's that? That's 3. That's 3 here.
So how about?
Okay, how about like 8 our time?
How about 5 our time? Hold on.
That's what he's not said. The same thing.
8 our time. Like 8.
8 at a time. Yeah, that's neutral. That's neutral. That's neutral right there. So
that's
so 8 your time, 5 our time, because that gives us enough time to get up. Because the first thing that we do every motherfucking game, we get up.
What's the bill gonna be about?
What's gonna happen is it's not even gonna start with us. It's gonna be somebody actually interviewing us, not interviewing us, but asking us perspective, like, okay, what do you think a polygamy relationship about? What do you think God is about? What do you think? And we're just gonna give our perspectives. That's all on everything.
Oh, you gonna have an interviewer?
I'm pretty sure. I mean, just in the comments, there's a lot of people we got hella vloggers looking at us right now, so I'm pretty sure. But let me know what you comfortable with, because this is a neutral thing. You know what I'm saying? But I already had somebody when we was first supposed to build 2 weeks ago. I had some people hitting me up and they wanted to interview us, and they said they was gonna be neutral. They wasn't gonna be on blah 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 blah. So at the end of the day, but I want you to be comfortable. Whatever's good with you.
I'm always comfortable, man. I'm here, man. I'm here to build with you, educate the people.
That's what I'm talking about.
I just feel like we have a platform and we can help a lot of people understand knowledge of
Bingo.
self.
And if it ain't about that, then it ain't worth it. You see what I'm saying? Because that's what it's really about. It's not about selfish ambition, selfish intent. It's about what we can give back to the people. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So it's a beautiful thing. Right now, this is already classic. All this shit happened organically. And that's what
hey, let somebody interview. But how they going to interview if we on live? I don't understand.
Because we can do that either on YouTube or we can do that shit on Facebook. My Facebook be really cracking too. And they got this thing where you can add people in. So we can do it there.
Or you can add more than one people on Facebook.
Right. Or either we can do it on some vloggers that's on YouTube. We can do it on their YouTube channel. So this is what we'll do. Me and you, we'll talk off camera tomorrow, like earlier in the day, and we'll figure out all the logistics and all that shit.
All right, man. Let's go over here to this what is it called?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans shit. We'll donate.
Already. You know it's donate. Man, you know it's love, bro. Don't even trip. This is gonna be our first time doing something historical, man. So I think people are gonna be very interested in this. You know what I'm talking about? So, man, much love to you and the Queens. Peace, God.
That's it. I love myself.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. It's a beautiful motherfucking thing. You know, I'm all for shit happening organic like that. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow, y'all heard it. It's going down tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's going up tomorrow. Fuck saying it's going down, it's going up. You know what I'm saying? This is a beautiful thing. So, shit, we're going to figure this shit out. But this is what we're going to do. We're going
to take the next motherfucking caller. I heard somebody say, save us.
No.
Stop calling me that.
Z just wanted me to feel all over her boobs just now.
But, no, this is what we're going to do.
No, I didn't.
Oh, this is what we're going to do.
No, I didn't.
Let me find out. Hold on. Hold on. This is what we're going to do. Hold on. I think my baby Pamela hit me up, so let me add her.
Pamela got to stand in line.
You said what?
She been waiting for a long time.
No, Pamela's our drip angel recruiter, baby. She's not.
Pamela has no line.
Yeah, she don't have no line. She don't got to stay in no motherfucker. But Z didn't know that. Z just thought she was a regular person.
I knew.
But that's gonna be a good.
The real, whoever you are, the real Ambi. DM me.
You don't want me, man.
I do, but I'm trying to be fair.
I'm trying to get it back to what you were. We trying to change the environment a little bit. We done got all serious and stuff. Got
I am the
twig all it up, all the natural. I love my weave, whatever.
Yeah.
Love my.
I love it too.
But no, we just want to bring the vibe back.
Yeah, and it's all about perspective. Like I said, nobody's wrong and nobody's right. We're not here to make people feel wrong for whatever their actions, and we're not. You know what I'm saying? Like nobody. Like, it start with yourself. Once you know yourself and know who you are as a person, because even though I wear jewelry, see motherfuckers when they look at my outer appearance, they think I'm some dumbass nigga, some dumbass another brother, in the motherfucking head in the motherfucking clouds. Look at this nigga, materialistic, egotistical. He don't got no intellect and knowledge. But then when I open my mouth up and speak, and you got the spirit of discernment and knowing who I am, and I really live this shit on a daily basis, then you realize like, damn, I judge the book by its cover. It's really more to them. So with me and my ladies, I mess with very intelligent women. Like we wake up every day, pray, meditate, studies. Like we do a lot of things every motherfucking day, like we're gonna do tomorrow. And I'm just showing people that you can have this type of lifestyle. You can look like us. You can do certain things and still be smart, educated, and love God and know yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this ain't how we live ain't been seen yet. People don't know about it. You know what I'm saying? So we just bringing that, because when they think you're conscious, you got to look a certain type of way. You got to walk around with an African dashiki necklace and all this other shit. You got to be like, but that's not. We breaking all the stigmas, all the stigmas, all the perceptions. We was being true to our motherfucking self, and we be having peace of it. You know what I'm talking about?
Definitely, because I definitely love myself. I know who I am, and best believe I'm gonna rock my fake hair and my lashes, but I love who I am.
Already, nature.
All day. But I just wanted to get on here and say hey to you guys. I can set that up for you guys if you want. If you guys want to do the interview or whatever, I can set it up. But I'm Pamela. Guys, anybody want to be a part of the Drip Angels? Make sure you inbox me. You ladies are beautiful. You all look gorgeous, and y'all have a good night.
Yeah. She picking out. We're picking 30 people for the reality show. So at the end of the day, if y'all want to really be a part of, the Drip Angels, of course, I'm gonna be the last person to decide. But I don't want my time wasted and shit like this. So y'all gonna talk to Pamela first, and then after y'all talk to Pamela, and if she feel like you're not gonna be on no bullshit and you can relocate to Vegas, then we'll talk. You know what I'm talking about. So tea time. But what I'm about to say, I got somebody because he said he wasn't tripping, and I know somebody got a platform already on YouTube. So I'm gonna talk to him first. And I'm gonna see what he's doing tomorrow. And if he's not doing anything tomorrow, I'm gonna most definitely come to you because I know we can have Stefan do it too. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day.
All right, y'all enjoy yourselves. Good night.
He said I'm super humble. He not. That's what's up. That's two different perspectives. Cool.
Hey, it is what it is.
It's going down tomorrow, man. This is a lovely
thing. I will definitely tune in.
Already. Much love. Everybody tune in. And who if y'all ain't on the OnlyFans, come over tomorrow. Come over. Yeah, I'm fucking look. How you feeling? You kind of.
She feels like she wants me to slap her.
No,
but they do it. They
Stop
acting up.
touching me.
They acting up. So just what we gonna do?
I want to add on to what y'all was talking about.
You want to add on? All right, go ahead and add on, baby.
Are you done?
Yeah, go ahead.
Not you, but Armani.
Armani, get down here with your sexy ass too.
No. She's fine. She wants to stay
She
there.
don't want me to be next to her.
I show him the fuck
All
down.
right, go ahead, Z. Talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to the people, baby.
I'm gonna wait till Armani stops moving.
Baby, come on. What's up?
I gotta get on her nerves. Okay, look, guys. In conjunction with what TKO was talking about when he says it starts with yourself, I just want to say what that means is do what feels right to you. Do what you think you should do. Go where you want to go. Start with, when you're confused about what should I do, think about what you think you should do. Don't call people and try to figure out, well, what do you think I should do? It should be, what do I think I should do? Where do I feel like I belong? That's being true to yourself. That's being honest with yourself, not following what other people feel like you should do, but follow what you feel you should do. That's being organic. That's being true. That starts with within and not following other people.
Already,
so that's just what I want to say.
Yeah, anything you want to say, baby?
No. Z gang.
All right, cool. So this is what we're going to do. I love this. Already. Next one, say go natural. I'm choking.
Go what?
All right, so no. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna come back. We're gonna do this shit tomorrow. We're gonna get out because we're gonna get over to the OnlyFans. So I know we got a lot of people on our Only Motherfucking Fans. This is going down. I know y'all enjoying this live, but we got to continue to build. But right now we're gonna build after hours because baby's getting sleepy.
No, because you put your hands in front of me, so I just sit behind you.
I'm sorry, baby.
Right.
Tea time.
Okay.
Can I kiss? All right, cool.
Okay.
All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get over here. And, it's going down. Tea time. All right. Sign out at the top, baby. You know what I'm saying? And come over.
We still got requests.
Yeah. No, it's about to go out.
So what we done?
The remaining minutes.
But are we coming back?
You right about that. Most definitely.
We're not coming back.
You scared of OnlyFans or something? Is that what you're trying to pull
I don't
on?
have an OnlyFans. That's y'all. I'm just asking, are we coming back to IG? Because we still got requests.
No, I'm saying, are you scared because we're doing OnlyFans together as a fucking team?
Oh, y'all are
already doing that.
Baby, hit the motherfucking end. Because it's about to end. So
right
come fuck us.
Yeah.
But we still got a minute and 27 seconds.
Hit the